Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by clarifying what decision this dashboard must support and which 3 to 5 KPIs matter most. Once done, pull your raw tables into Excel tables and create named ranges so formulas stay stable. Then sketch a logical layout on paper or a blank sheet, filters and slicers top left, summary KPIs across the header, detailed charts in the center. Make sure to document data refresh frequency and acceptable latency before you build visuals. Next, transform and model the data so your visuals are fast and reliable. Use Power Query to remove duplicates, normalize dates, and merge customer or product tables. This maintains a single source. Then load clean tables into the data model and define relationships so slicers cross-filter correctly. Create measures with DAX or structured references for percentages, running totals, and change versus prior period. Make sure to keep measure names descriptive so maintenance stays easy. Finally, build the visuals and polish interactions so users get answers quickly. Pick charts intentionally, trend lines for time series, bar charts for ranking, and scatter plots for relationships, and align colors to highlight variance. Once arranged, add slicers and set visual level filters, then apply consistent number formats and conditional formatting to draw attention. Before you deliver, test data refresh, simulate missing data and extremes, and document one troubleshooting tip. If numbers mismatch, check your table load.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.